Hi everyone, Danielle from Pursuit Advisors. Today I'm going to step you through how to run a pay run with the new JobKeeper payments top-ups. So the first thing you'll notice is that you do have a new pay item, which can be found under settings, payroll settings, under pay items, and it's called JobKeeper Payment Top-up. So you'll now have that in your Xero file as a pay item. It is exempt from superannuation, so this won't be calculated on these payments. It will be calculated if the person has worked a number of hours, so that is where it will earn super. So if we press save on that, the next item that we would look at, once you've identified the employees that are eligible for the top-up payment, we recommend that you add these to their pay template, so you're not having to add it every time you run a pay run. So to do this, we go under payroll, employees, select the employee that you want to add this to. So we're going to select it to Sally today. And under pay template, as you can see, she's got her ordinary hours in here. So she works 40 hours a fortnight, $20, so she earns $800 a fortnight. So she is entitled to get the JobKeeper top-up payment. So we're going to add an earnings line here and add this JobKeeper payment top-up and OK. Because she is part-time, her hours could change from fortnight to fortnight. So we suggest leaving this blank. And by pressing save, that is now added to her pay template. So we'll complete a pay run, which is under, again, payroll, pay employees. And we've got a pay run open here. So we'll click inside there. And we'll click on Sally's name. And as you can see, that item is sitting there now at the $700 here. And that brings it up to the $1,500 that she is entitled to. So this will calculate the tax on that amount, and super will only be paid on the hours she's worked. So once you're happy with that pay run, you just want to press save as you normally would and close it. And then post pay run. Yes, and then file it with the tax office. So we'll close that up. So the next instance we're going to have is if someone has been stood down and is entitled to the $1,500 a fortnight. So we add a fortnightly calendar and go next. So we'll select Sally for so instead of having the ordinary hours there, Sally has just earned the $1,500. So we type in the $1,500 in here. Again, the tax will be calculated. No super will be paid on it, but she will accrue her annual leave and personal leave as she normally would. So we press save on that again and close. And you'd post your pay run as you normally would. If there's any unscheduled pay runs that you need to do for top-ups from previous pays, this also can be done through the payroll tab by selecting pay employees and add pay run, drop down the box, and there's an unscheduled pay run. So you would click through the button, so fortnightly, current financial year, and select the dates that we need to do this for. So if we went back to the 14th of April, for instance, click inside there, and if we select it on Sally, and we were just doing a top up. So if she's earned $700 for the fortnight, we would need to top that up for $800. So this would be the back pay that we needed to give her for that amount. So again, you would just go save and close the pay run. When money is received from the government for these JobKeeper payments, we advise to code this up to an account called grants income. So by doing this can be added in your chart of accounts and putting it under a revenue. Now the payment is GST free, so when setting this up, please make sure you do tick that box, GST free. If you have any other questions regarding this, please feel free to contact our office on 5623 3778. Otherwise, we do recommend there is a little question mark, which is a help button. By clicking in here, you can search up JobKeeper payments and it will give you a step-by-step guide on how to do this. So we do find this very useful as well. Thank you for your time today, and we'll talk to you later. Thank you. See you later.